do you raise consciousness? Let's talk about that in today's video. Who don't know me, I am Shika. I'm a travel lifestyle content creator, mentor, and owner of Blog It. And on this channel, I talk about all things spirituality, wellness, entrepreneurship, and social media. Today, we're going to be going into how do you raise your vibration? How do you raise your consciousness? A lot of you have been actually commenting, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been subscribing. I love you guys so, so much. You're going through changes and you happen to stumble on my channel. I thought, why not make a great little series video such thing where I really help you guys with some tools. And one of the biggest things is consciousness and understanding how to be in the now, understanding how to be in the now when you're going through changes, when you're going through a hard time, when you're having a great time in life, just making sure that you're always checking in with your present emotions and where you are as far as your inner joy. Today, we're going to be going over 5 ways to raise your vibration, to raise your consciousness. I can help you in a lot of things, help you with manifestation, help you with law of attraction, help you with just being guided in the right direction in life. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe so you do not miss a video. I do videos 3 times a week for you guys. And we have our subscriber of the day. It is Miss Foster. Thank you so much for all your lovely words on my latest videos. I love the love, and I just want to send love to each and every one of you guys. Let's get started in the video. So the first and foremost tip that I think is so evident, and I do share a lot with my videos with you guys, is meditation. I do believe I did a video on meditation here, so I'll link it here for you if you are just starting out or if you want more guidance on meditation, and I'll also be making more on this in the future. But meditation is so great because it is a sense of being. It's a state of being. And what people don't know is meditation doesn't have to be just you crossing your legs, sitting down. It's actually just you being here in the now, reflecting on your being and reflecting on intention currently in this present moment while you're watching this video. So for example, if I were to say, comment down below, what is your intention? Where are you at right now? That is you meditating. This is you meditating within yourself. You're within your consciousness, within your own vibration currently. And what that does is it allows you to reduce stress. It's amazing for reducing anxiety. Sometimes I notice that my mind is going a miles per minute, thinking of all the things I have to get done that day. But what meditation is brings me back to my center, brings me back within my own body, within my own current present time right now. So one thing I would suggest you doing is meditating once a day. I like to do it in the morning. It's the best time, and at night are the most effective times to do it. And if you, again, like I said, if you guys want to learn more about that, I linked up the video there for meditation for you. But doing it every single day can allow you to ensure that every day you are putting intention to really get the most of what you're working toward. Repeating a mantra. This is actually my new favorite recently on how to increase my consciousness and my vibration. Sometimes when I'm in a very negative spiral of thinking of so many negative things about myself, about my current achievements, I like to put in a mantra here. And there's a lot of mantras from amazing, amazing, amazing people. And you can even look up Mantra Ginta on here on YouTube. And there's a lot of amazing ones for manifestation, for negativity, and just connecting with more of the divine and amazing just, guides that we can connect with. However, using your own mantra. So what I like to do is every single day I choose a sentence that I want to stick with. So today my mantra is abundance comes to me easily, quickly, and freely, because right now most of my energy is towards my career, my abundance, my life, my transition, and that's where I'm putting all my energy in. So for you, create one sentence that you want to stick with today, and every single day, at least 3 to 4 times a day, allow yourself to take deep breaths in and out and repeat that mantra either internally or with you. You can also use this mantra when you're meditating. So repeating it over and over and over again is going to embed it into the subconscious mind, which is amazing because then it's really affecting. And we know that the conscious mind is 95% of our brain. So we really want to make sure that we are being, optimistic. We're feeling the emotion of whatever we're trying to manifest. We're feeling the emotion of whatever we're trying to attract as if it's happening right now. And doing that increases this vibration of happiness, of excitement. And ask yourself, how would I feel if you're meditating visually, whatever it is, and saying this mantra? Feelings will come up, and that will actually automatically attract things into your life. So it increases that vibration. It tells the universe right away, okay, hey, you know, Sam's really wanting to do this, Mark's really wanting to do this, I'm gonna bring more to them, and it helps them with that. The third one is kind of funny, and I'll explain it. It's eat your chakras. So this one is something that I personally have noticed a lot, especially when I went through my attunement with Reiki. And what I mean by this is whether you're trying to fix your heart chakra, whether you're trying to focus on your root chakra, your third eye, whatever it may be, each chakra has a different color. So it activates that specific chakra. And what a better way to help, you know, impact your body both outside and inside by eating those colors. So for example, when I was really focusing on my heart chakra for a week, I had a lot of green juices. I had a lot of salads with green and very lush looking meals. So it helped, you know, internally heal my heart chakra. So again, when you're trying to increase your vibration, chakra imbalance is a huge part, which is really big as we know, but one way to kind of speed the process of healing and ensuring that we can heighten our vibration the highest it can be is by eating, you know, a balanced meal that has very different colors in it. And it helps, you know, just align all the chakras. So whether that is to focus on one specific chakra in a block, or if you just want to make sure that you're balanced on an everyday basis, make sure you're eating rainbows, make sure you're eating the colors of the chakras, and bring that gratitude to that food so it lets the universe knows that this is some healing Mother Earth that's going within yourself. So this one's really good, and it actually reminds me of my latest video that I did on being in the now and how I talked about elk toke. The Power of Now book. If you haven't read that, definitely would recommend it. It's amazing. I'm almost done it right now, and I think I might do a review on that. Let me know down below if you guys would like that. But being in the power of now, like, what are you feeling right now? What are you expressing right now? Ooh. What are you feeling right now? So exactly what that means is sometimes, again, our mind tends to wander places, and what that's doing is at the end of the day, we have no control of the future and the past. We only have control of what's happening right now. So what better way to heighten our vibration by making sure that we are feeling good in this current present moment to ensure that we're feeling good in the future? Or if we're feeling horrible in the past, ooh, excuse me. If we're feeling horrible in the past, what better way to feel even better than to tell ourselves, okay, releasing what was left to be in the past and feeling what we're feeling right now to make that a priority. And there were times when I would actually bring in that energy of negativity into my present time, and it would self-sabotage my future expectations of what I wanted to manifest, what I wanted to attract. And simple things like, I don't know, I really didn't like what that person said to me at the grocery store, and that negativity trails into my whole day. And it trails into my whole day. I'm sneezing a lot today. Trails into my whole day. And the next thing you know, then, you know, this whole kind of cycle keeps going and going and going. And you start to say, oh, my whole day has been horrible. Well, you put that precedent on yourself. So what I like to do is, you know, I always say, like, I love myself. I forgive myself. I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm grateful for you. And this is close to the hippopotamus theory, which is really great. I'm always horrible with that, but it's a great theory. And what it basically says is these 4 lines that you state, and it allows you to say sorry for what you're currently feeling. And it's a moment of relief, just releasing all that. But in order, like I said, to increase your vibration currently, to increase your consciousness, you can't allow negative emotions from the past or thoughts of the future that you have no control of to block what is currently happening. Listening to music, this is my favorite one. So this is the last and favorite one. And why I love listening to music to help increase my consciousness is because who doesn't like to listen to music and dance to it? Like, I love it. If you guys don't know, I used to actually dance competitive for like over 12 years, and I loved it. And there's this feeling that you get that allows your body to move. And even if you aren't a dancer, just let your body move. Like, let your body be free. Let your body express what it needs to. And music is one of the most healing sounds that we can have. There's beta waves, there's alpha waves, there's all these different waves that can actually help increase serotonin, help fight against anxiety, depression, and just help with even manifesting, law of attraction, and healing, and just there's Reiki music too. There's so much. Or even just putting your favorite Spice Girl songs or whatever it may be, or putting the whatever you want, like whatever you feel is good. Just listening to some music, putting Dirty Dancing, that playlist on, and just dancing it out and enjoying it. And what this does is it allows you to increase your vibration of happiness, and you're going to attract other happy people. You're going to attract other happy moments. You're going to attract other happy opportunities. So again, the more you do that simple thing, what I like to do is I'll dance sometimes before I do my mentoring calls, because I want to feel good. I want to make the person that I'm having the call with feel good. So it is so important to do that to help heighten your consciousness, heighten your vibration. If you don't heighten your vibration and consciousness, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to properly manifest what you want, properly attract what you want, and properly be happy within yourself, which I think is the most important thing. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you kind of get more of an idea of what the aspect of increasing your consciousness and vibration is. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so you don't miss a video. I do videos 3 times a week as mentioned, and I'm sending you guys a lot of love, light, positivity. Raise that vibration, loves. Bye.